Hi, Adam from Bundoora Boat Upholstery here. Welcome to a short recap of a complete Stage 1 package the team at Bundoora have done on this awesome looking Mastercraft X7. Complete interior redo with all the embroidery and stitching. We've used white and silver carbon with a Silvertex vinyl. We've also done a cut and polish on the boat, which looks awesome. We redid a new boarding platform with U-deck, and as you can see, it's come up better than brand new. Hit us up if you're interested at bbU.com.au.